Hello everybody, my name is Pranav Das and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So now I am going to talk about a landmark judgment, and the name of the case is State of Bengal and others versus the Committee for Protection of Domestic Rights, West Bengal, and the citation of the case is 2010 to SCR 979. So now I am going to just give a brief overview about this case, like what the case is about and what the court did in this particular case. So in this case, the dispute between the state of West Bengal and the Committee for Protection of Domestic Rights, the acronym for which is CPDR, was there, in which the allegations of human right violations and unlawful detention by state authorities was held. In this case, the case heard in the Supreme Court of India, the SPDR sought court intervention to address the alleged violations. In this case, the Supreme Court of India examined the allegations and scrutinized the actions of the state authorities. The court affirmed that the state has a constitutional duty to protect and respect the human rights of every citizen of a country, and therefore the court emphasized that any unlawful detention or violation of human rights is a violation mentioned within the Constitution of India. In this case, the court considered the importance of democratic rights and individual liberties in the democratic society. In reiterated the fundamental principle, and no one should be deprived of the rights without the due process of law. This was one of the major points which the court mentioned while giving the judgment of this case. The court directed the state to conduct a thorough inquiry into the alleged human rights violations. The court called for appropriate action to be taken against the responsible violators, and if in case it established the same. The judgment underscored the significance of upholding democratic rights and protecting the dignity of the individuals. Thank you so much, and if you have any doubt regarding this case, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much and have a nice day.